guys. It's like marathon. Starts very slow, not so fast.
A few moments later.
I'm going through a lot. Yeah. Where is he?
Good job, you're doing well.
I'm pleased to say
8.
Come on, no man, guys. No man, guys.
Keep going.
So this is a preamble. I could share. Chabiba, say hi.
God protect me. They'll pretend to be your friend, but at the back, they'll blackmail you. They'll pretend to be your brothers, but they are the ones manipulating your destiny. Those who do not want you to enjoy peace in your home. Those the Bible calls the wicked ones.
Say hi, guys. If you cannot laugh again.
Is it that not the umbrella?
They will look for every means to prevent
So
the
this
marriage.
is 20 kg.
If a married woman could not conceive due to one reason or the other, they will sit in their houses and begin to gossip about the childlessness. Enemies of progress, forgetting that it is only God that gives children. When a young man is
It's like I'm next.
when the man begins to prosper, they start to envy. When a young girl gets married at the age of 14, they complain that she is too young to marry. But when the lady will not marry at the age of 35, they will say it is the sin she committed that is preventing her marriage.
Chabiba.